So how do you mute WhatsApp groups on the iPhone? And let's get it started. So you can open up your WhatsApp application where everything gets managed, right? Obviously, you go to your chats section and everything is going to be there. So what you can do is obviously locate your group chat. And in order to mute it, you can just swipe left on it and not click the archive option, but just click the three dots for more things to appear. And when you do click that, obviously more options are going to pop up, and the mute option should most definitely be at the top right there. So when you click on mute, the notifications will not be delivered to you, right? But you still are part of the group chat. You can talk to other people, you can take part in this, but you're just not going to be getting all of those notifications and sounds whenever other people are talking about something. So I believe that it's pretty useful. On the other hand, you can also manage notifications for WhatsApp separately or for the whole app. When you go to the settings app, find notification and scroll to the bottom for WhatsApp specifically, where you can decide how exactly it's going to look and whatnot. And in there, you can see everything is going to be right there. And also, in order to just mute every single group on WhatsApp, what you can do in here as well is to go to the settings, this time of the WhatsApp app settings, not the iPhone settings. But in there, you can go to the notification section right there. So tap on the notifications and you can see we have the group settings. So you can turn off the sounds or change the sound, showing the notifications, or even reactions can be managed right here. So that's everything I wanted to show you in this tutorial. Go ahead and let me know below in the comments what you think about it. Thanks a lot for watching, and I'll see you later.